Microsoft X here again, and welcome back to Malin's Google Shorts. Yesterday, the former chain from Family Mart was Go Customer, which operated in Japan before its merger in 2016. Anyways, today's episode of Malin's Google Shorts is about Japan's first railway route officially opened on the morning of October 14, 1872. Under a clear sky, a steam locomotive with 9 cars, carrying Emperor Mutsubito, government leaders, diplomats and other dignitaries, made its way from Tokyo's Shibuya Station to Unokawa Station. It would be some time before the 53-minute trip was affordable to the masses. At the time, a third-class ticket between the only two stations cost the equivalent of 5,000 yen today. The same trip now takes less than 30 minutes and costs under 500 yen. The train cars had few amenities and notably lacked toilets and storage spread of passengers making use of open windows during the cold nature. One former samurai is said to have been fined for sticking his buttocks outside to fart. But these were growing pains for a new form of transportation that would have a lasting impact, connecting far-flung regions and urban centers and setting the country on a path to modernization. The Shibuya Railroad was the result of an ambitious public works project spanning several years. The locomotive, train cars and rails had to be imported from the UK. Before long, the private sector came barging in. First among the private railway entrants, Nippon Railway, in 1881. Its model of operating trains between Tokyo's Ueno Station and Tohoku's Inri, but leaving the track building to the government, would be widely copied by others. In a country whose land is more than 2/3 mountains, imagine the savings of not having to bore tunnels or cut paths through forests and the peace of mind of not having to scoop up land through eminent domain. Anyways, and the sound of the junior train sound was heard. This one was named the SH3, from the junior train. Anyways, thanks for watching Malin's Google Shorts. See you again tomorrow at 1 p.m. So until then, goodbye.